guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here to do a reveal of my initial setup for my new GM agenda in the Damier Ebene canvas, and I absolutely love this. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time doing an intro. If you want to see my first review or first thoughts on this cutie, then check out my unboxing video. And if you're not into planners, stationery, stickers and all of that fun stuff, this won't be for you, but keep on watching and I'll show you how I have this set up. Okay guys, as my agenda, this is the initial kind of overview. So I have a pocket at the bottom here, and in the pocket I have just some cards. This is my business card, and then here I have 2 appointment cards. So these are from Cloth and Paper, and I just keep those in the front here. I then also have a journaling card, which was a freebie, and this was also from an order that I placed at Cloth and Paper. And then this is from Sequins and Paper No Spend Challenge, and I'm holding this on there with my Sesame paper clip in gold. Okay, so if I go into the first secretarial flap, in this section here I have a number of stickers, and these are functional stickers that I use throughout my planner. So from the shape sticker kit, I have in cotton from Cloth and Paper the dots, the corners and the tape. I then have from Kiki K, I believe this is like just some, again, functional stickers from their inserts, or maybe like a pack, I can't remember, but I definitely like these as well. And then back here I have some drops, some dots, some mini flags, some balloons, the sampler freebie, some pins, and what else was back here? I have some money icons, and the last one here is some balloons. So I keep all of these in the section back here. Okay, so they are tucked away. Then at the very back, in the last secretarial pocket or flap, I have this postcard, and this was from the Tate Modern. They actually sent this to me in the post, and I saw it and thought, okay, this is bright and colourful, maybe it will come in handy, and it has, because I found a place for it in the back of my planner to kind of add a pop of colour, so I thought that's quite cool. Okay, so if we move on to the kind of meaty part of the planner, so where all the goodies are kept, on this side here I have from Cloth and Paper my 2020 year at a glance dashboard. I put some acetate on in the front of it, and this is actually vellum. Okay, so I really like this, and it's nice and clear and easy to read. You'll notice a running theme that I'm using acetate throughout my planner quite a bit. So I put another piece here in front of this dashboard. There's also from Cloth and Paper, and I just think this just looks really cool. This insert here was from a shop on Etsy. So this is a card holder insert, and when I received this I did actually have to re-punch the holes because it was quite tight and difficult to kind of turn. So in here I keep just some flags and some stickers. So here you go, as you can see. On the back of the card holder I have some journaling cards, should I say, sorry, and these were from the planner spot, and there are 4 of them there, as you can see. Okay, now moving on, I have my month overview inserts from Cloth and Paper, and I keep this in the schedule section. So just to show you, these are the glass dividers from Cloth and Paper, and they have a nice glossy kind of sheen to them. I don't know if it's really going to pick it up, but they're really nice to kind of use, and I think they look pretty cool, and they're quite thin as well, so they don't take up too much space. So the planner inserts come like this. So you have schedule, lists, projects, finance, goals and ideas, and miscellaneous at the back. So in the schedule section, again, my newfound friend, acetate. I have my monthly overview. Okay, so I've started filling out some of the months. And if I get to, I think July, that's it, it's the completely empty month. So this is the inserts, this is how they look. So do a zooming for you. You've got the month and the numerical form here. Then you have some lines, a lined section at the side, which is really good. So you can kind of either do a running to-do list for the month, or you can kind of do some notes for the particular week. So you can do that. Then at the top here, you have the previous month and you have the upcoming month also. So that's really good. And I do really like these inserts. Okay, so I wasn't lying to you guys. Here we go again with the acetate, and I've put a journaling card with a chunky, or not chunky, but a large black paper clip there. And this is Hustle and Heart, and this is from the same set that came from my order with the planner spot. So feel free to check out that video, guys, if you want to see what else I've got. So I'm waiting for my dated weekly inserts to arrive, but in the meantime I have from Cloth and Paper undated timed weekly inserts. So this is them, and if I show you on a blank sheet, you've got priorities that run along the side, you've got 5 until 9, and then you've got the days of the week. You can circle at the top here which month the week is referring to, and this is how it looks. And this is an undecorated kind of view. Okay, so if I move on now to lists, here I have a page turner dashboard, and I've just put some stickies on there. So I have the to-do stickies and I have the meal planner stickies. This is from Cloth and Paper, and this is from the planner spot. I then go into the lists section. Another thing that I purchased recently is some vellum, and I've gone printer mad. I've been printing quite a lot on vellum sheets, and this is one of them. This is a freebie printable. I can't remember the place I got it from, but I will try and find out and link it in the description box for you. But this came out really, really well. I like how this looks. So behind here I have some half sheets, and obviously this is in the A5 size, and this is from Cloth and Paper, and this is how it looks. So you can circle the day of the month and do your lists there. I think at the back it also has some bullets, and it's sectioned into 5 boxes. And then I just keep some gridded paper, and this is from Kiki K. So moving on to the project section, some more vellum. This is from the planner spot. This came out also very well. It says, let's do this. And I love the quality of the paper from Cloth and Paper. It's really luxurious, and it's the meeting notes inserts. Then it brings us to the next section, which is finance. And I really, really like this dashboard. I have printed on vellum this dashboard. I'll take it apart so I can show you. So I've got acetate, I've got my journaling card from Cloth and Paper, and I printed this dashboard, which came out just so well. I really love this. The same place that I got this one from. So I will definitely do my best to try and find it, so that if you guys like this, you can kind of create the same thing, if that's your thing. And that's how that looks. So this is in the finance section, and what I like about this is that it then blocks the view of being able to see straight away any financial information that I will be storing in this planner. If I did want to take this into work or take it out with me and work on anything, it's good to have a bit of kind of privacy, really. So right now I'm currently just having the grafted paper in here from Kiki K. What I do want to do, I'll show you, is I want to duplicate this. So I want to get the monthly expenses sheet and keep it alongside the Kiki K sheet, because that's really working very well for me. So I'm going to do that. At some point I'll order these inserts in A5 size, because currently this is in the setup, so this is a personal size. Okay, so moving on, I have the next section in the dividers, which is goals and ideas. My friend acetate and vellum showing up again, and this is from Noted or Note.d. I'm sure it's pronounced Noted, but yes, I printed these myself. I do really like these inserts, but I'm not going to lie to you guys, I don't think I'll be printing any more inserts for my planner. Dashboards, yes, but inserts, no, because it's quite hard to print double-sided, or I struggled anyways, and cutting and making sure everything's aligned was a struggle. So I'll leave it to the professionals and let them deal with that. But yeah, for now I've at least got goal inserts that I can kind of reuse. Okay, so the last section, guys, we have miscellaneous back here. I created this on vellum, I created this on Canva to print on my vellum, and I'm not too sure about it, but I printed it now, so I'm keeping it at the back. I might take it out, we'll see. I've put some stickies on this acetate, and this is the memo one and the habit tracker from Cloth and Paper. I have nothing in this pocket back here. I've got my Muji pen. This is a 0.7 mm ballpoint pen. Back here, I have just a couple of things. So I have some note paper from Cloth and Paper. Okay, and then here we've got some stickers. This was sent to me, in fact, from a really kind lady in Canada. Elaine Ekine Designs, I think, but I'll put the information in here somewhere. But yeah, these are really nice stickers that I've got. She also sent me some inserts as well, which I thought was really nice and very kind. So yes, love that. Love a freebie. So anyways, this is my planner. This is how I have everything initially set up. As mentioned, I do have a couple of things that I'm waiting for to arrive in the post. So when they do arrive, I'll be sure to obviously come back and give you a quick update. But I definitely love this. I'm very glad I have it in the collection. And if you have any questions, queries or comments, feel free to put them in the box below. And please also feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll be back with some more content for you very soon. Hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.